A small terrace at a football ground comprises of 15 steps, each of which 50 meter long. That means length of each step is 50 meter. That means if you will see, this one is 50 meter, any length you are taking. This is 50 meter, this is 50 meter, this is 50 meter. The length, all these lengths are 50 meter. This is 50 meter is given. Now it is given that each step has a rise of 1 by 4 meter. Rise meaning this one is rise, this one or this one. This is called rise. This is rise. Here this one is rise. This one. This rise is 1 by 4 meter. And trade of 1 by 2 meter. Trade meaning this one or this one, like this. This one is the trade. If you will see, this one is trade, this one. These are trades. These are, if you will see, these are the trades. These are the trades. These are the trades. Trades like this. So this one is the trade, or this one is the trade. If you will see, for the first step, this one is the trade, or this one is the trade, which is equal to 1 by 2 meter. Trade is 1 by 2 meter. Again, this height is 1 by 4 meter, and this length is, if you will see, this length is 50 meter. So for the first step, the volume of the concrete required for the first step, let it be V1, will be equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 50. Length into breadth into height. Now for the second step, volume of the concrete required will be equal to, if you will see here the rise is, this one is the rise. You see now the rise becomes this one. Total rise will be equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 into the trade is 1 by 2 meter. That means this is 1 by 2 meter. If you will see, this one is 1 by 2 meter, and this length, if you will see, this length is, this length is 50 meter. So we will write 1 by 2 into 50. Similarly, for volume 3, that means volume of the concrete required for the third step, if you will see, this one is the rise now. Rise is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Into the trade is, this one is the trade, is 1 by 2, and this one is the length, that is 50. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 into 50. So if you add for the total there are 15 steps. You see here in the question given that there are 15 steps. So the series will be in this way. We can write, if you write this will be equal to 25 into 1 by 4. This is equal to 25 into 2 by 4. This is equal to 25 into 3 by 4. In this way the series will be continued. Now if we will take 25 as common, the series will be 1 by 4, or you can write 25 by 4 also. You can write 25 by 4 is the first one. Second one is 25 into 2 by 4. that is 50 by 4, and for the third one it is 75 by 4. In this way it will be continued. There are total 15 terms. This is the volume of the concrete needed for each step. If we will add everything, we will get the total concrete required to build the terrace. Now we have to find out Sn, and the formula for Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is the number of terms, a is the first term, and d is the common difference. Here no need to find out the last term or nth term. We don't need, because number of terms are given. Number of terms are 15 here. Here a is equal to 25 by 4 first term. D will be equal to also 25 by 4, because this is second term minus first term. If we write, this is equal to 25 by 4, and number of terms is equal to 15, because there are 15 steps. 15 because there are 15 steps. So we will put the value to find out S15. That is equal to 15 by 2 multiplied by 2a, that is 2 into 25 by 4. You write it, 2 multiplied by 25 by 4 plus n minus 1 into d is also 25 by 4. So we can write this as 15 by 2 into, this is 50 by 4 plus, this is 14 this is 2 into 25 by 4 plus 14 into 25 by 4. 15 minus 1 is 14 into 25 by 4. Or we can write this as 15 by 2 into, if we will take 25 by 4 as common, we will get 14 plus 2. Or this is equal to 15 by 2 into 25 by 4 into 16. So this will be equal to 25 multiplied by 30. Or this is equal to 750 meter cube. Because here it will cancel out, it will equal to 25 into 2, 30 into 25, that is 750 meter cube. This much concrete needed, the amount of concrete needed to